Hi, my name is Adlia Fizuddin, and today our group gonna present about SCADA-based automated endurance testing system for hydraulic furniture. And this is for our manufacturing system.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Danish Azizi bin Muhammad Yusof. My metric number is B08211030. Okay, for my part, I'm gonna talk about the type of system that we use, which is SCADA-based automated endurance testing system for hydraulic furniture. For the definition, industrial control system used to monitor, control and collect real-time data from machine and process in manufacturing environment. For the system architecture overview, first, there are consist 4 component, which is first, sensor mounted on the hydraulic furniture. Testing rig send signal to the PLC, and the second component is the PLC process the input data and execute the control logic. The third one, for actuator, the hydraulic valve and pump are controlled by the PLC. And the last one is SCADA system, which is used to monitor system status, display real-time data, record endurance test cycle, trigger alarm and stop condition. Okay, next, for the hardware component of the testing rig. First, PLC. It receive input signal from the sensor, control hydraulic actuator, counts endurance cycle, implement safety interlock. The second one is the hydraulic system itself. It consists of hydraulic pump, cylinder, directional control valve and pressure relief valve. And the last one is system input, which is sensor, mainly use proximity sensor as the primary input device. Okay, for the interface, SCADA interface, they provide a graphical user interface that allows operator to start and stop endurance tests, monitor cycle count, test duration and system status, view real-time sensor feedback, log test data and receive alarm for fault and test completion. Alright, that's all from me.
Hi, my name is Simon Rice, son of James, and my matrix ID is B0822101119. So I'll continue with the process of the controller, which is the sequence. So for the first part, which is the automated test cycle. So basically, in the system, one complete extension and retraction of the cylinder is considered one quality test cycle. So the goal is to ensure the system operates smoothly, consistently, and within the required time limits. SCADA controls the entire sequence and records each cycle for performance monitoring. As for the second slide, which is the step 1 and step 2 of the system, which is the start and extension. The test begins when the operator presses the start test button on the HMI. This sends a signal to SCADA, which starts the unidirectional pump. Next, the solenoid 1 is activated, which allows the hydraulic fluid to extend the cylinders. And during this movement, the system measures the time taken to extend, which helps detect issues such as sticky values or flow restrictions. So as for the third slide, which is the step 3, feedback and cycle completion. Once the cylinder reaches its full extension, the proximity sensor is triggered. So it sends the feedback signal and tells SCADA that the movement was successful. The system then counts one completed cycle and stores the data in the database. After that, the system is ready to repeat the test. And in this slide, I've included 2 flowcharts of the system. First, in the left, which is the cylinder extension, and in the right, the cylinder retraction. So I'll go briefly on the flowchart. So as we start the system, the pump generator activates, oil circulates, and also flows into valve. Same goes for the both system. The second one is valves reverse manually pushed 4 cylinders on the left. which is the lifting of the cylinders activated. So this one is for extension, and for retraction is valve lever manually pulled. The third is oil flow through controller valve, reaching the cylinders for the extension, and oil flows out from the controller valve back to the oil tank, which is for the retraction. Next is the extension of the rod, extending the rod out based on the flow and speed for the extension, and retracting the four rods out based on flow and speed setting. And the table starts to be folded. So this one is for the retraction of the cylinder. Next is sensor detects the extended rod, turns on the proximity sensor for the extension, and sensor no longer detect the extended rod and turns off the proximity switch is for the retraction. Next is the switch sends signals to relay and solenoid moves the valve for extension. Switch disconnect the circuit connection, solenoid moves the valve is for retraction. Followed by two cylinders at the right side starts to extend the surface table extension cylinders. So it extends the table. So this one is for extension. And two cylinders at the right side starts to retract. The surface table shortens. So which is the retraction of the table. And finally, all cylinders extended out. This one is complete lifted table for work use for extension. And also all cylinders retracted out, which is the lifted table completely folded, is for retraction.
Hello, my name is Shavin and I'll be presenting about the human machine interface of our SCADA based endurance testing system. This is a stimulated SCADA HMI design for our academic purposes, but is based on a real industrial SCADA architecture using PLC input and output. As you can see based on the slide, the operators can monitor system status, hydraulic parameters, and test cycle counts in real time. And also all sensor data such as proximity, sensor feedback, and pressure values are acquired through the PLC and visual on the SCADA screen. The system also operates in automatic mode. Why automatic if you ask? Because automatic mode ensure consistent and repeatable endurance testing without operator influence, improving quality and control accuracy. Finally, the table is cycled repeatedly to stimulate long-term usage and detect mechanical or hydraulic failure. And if you ask if there is a hydraulic failure, the SCADA system will generate alarm and the emergency stop immediately disable all solenoid valve outputs. Thank you.
So I'm gonna explain about the conclusion and benefit here. Automated testing, we transform a manual table into a SCADA control testing station, and real-time data, the system automatically tracks cycle counts and hydraulic pressure to ensure quality and improve safety. By using a PLC and sensor, we eliminate the human error and keep operators safe from high pressure equipment. And that's all from us. Thank you.